Apparently me and knives and stickers. Why is this so hard? Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior and welcome back to my channel. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what is in the May Boxycharm base box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Okay, so my box finally arrived, of course, midweek. I work full time, so I have to wait and unbox on the weekends. I'm sure you've already seen a bunch of people's unboxings. I have not, so apologies if I follow you. I will watch after I do my unboxing video. So for anyone new to Boxycharm, this is a beauty subscription which costs $25 a month, and you receive 5 full-size products which are typically skincare, makeup, and the occasional tool, brush, or hair care product. Alright, so here is what the inside of the box looks like. No spoilers. We do have a card, and the theme is Boxycharm Flourish. Some lovely flowers for the month of May, which has Mother's Day included. And on the back we do have pricing and product descriptions. I am iteration really long number right there. Let me grab the first item and see how disappointed or excited I will be. Okay, so what is this? We have a hot toddy. So the hot toddy heat protectant mist from Drybar retails for $27. Wow. 4.6 fluid ounces. That seems pricey and small, but let me know, since I don't use products like that, if that's the standard or no, she's pricey. Okay, next item from a brand I know and is rather shishy, and this is hefty. What are you? Okay, so this is from Murad, and it is City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. Yes! It is 50 milliliters, and I presume she will be pricey. What does the card have to say? OMG, this bad boy, Mama Jamma, skincare, Shishi brand product from Murad retails for $74. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, look at that packaging. Ooh, and it's the kind of like, it has like, you push down and then it comes up top. Let's see how many squishes before. Oh, okay. Ooh, that's a lot of product. That's what she looks like. Oh, and it has a lovely scent. Very subtle. Not obnoxious. Kind of, I don't want to say floral because that turns people off. Like a subtle, barely there, not grandma scent. Light, florally type of a scent. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Put way too much on, but we're going to use it as a hand moisturizer at this point. Okay, I'm super excited. On to the next item. Okay, what is this? This is from Mellow. Oh, and it's a liquid lip gloss. This is what the shade looks like, which is called Impossible to Read Tropez. Does not seem to have a scent. Here's what the swatch looks like. It is rather dark. It was called a lip gloss. Usually lip glosses, A, are shinier, and B, aren't that pigmented. That is quite pigmented. So Mellow Cosmetics lip gloss retails for $18. Not familiar with that brand either. Mellow Cosmetics. All right. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you have tried this product before. All right. Next item. Ooh, we have some brushes from Lavish. These are quite bright in shade. It reminds me of like 7-Up, right? Isn't 7-Up this kind of grass green with the yellow? Or if you're from the Seattle areas, like I am, go Sonics back in the day. Bring back the Sonics. These are the Sonics uniform colors. Okay, so we have 5 eye brushes, and they are soft-ish. They're not super dense, but oh, and these 2 are very stiff. Well, this one is typical, you know, for doing your eyeliner or your brows, and then this is very stiff pencil. I find these really good to get under your eye. Okay, I have so many brushes, but we'll never turn down a brush because, yes, it's a brush. So, the Lavish Essential Eye Collection, 5 handcrafted vegan-friendly brushes, retails for $30. Okay. And on to the last item. Ooh, we have a palette from Cab Cosmetics. Not familiar with that brand. I presume from the size it will be eyeshadow, but we shall see. Yes. Okay. Does come with a mirror. And we get 18 shades. They are smaller, but you get a lot. Many orangey, warm, terracotta, some kind of pinky, mauvey, orangey, brownie. It's a lovely color story for moving from spring into summer. All right, so what does Boxycharm say this bad boy is worth? What? No. $52? Really? Okay. This is more than like a Tarte palette, which I want to say is like $48. And the ABH Modern Renaissance is only $45. No, $52 for a brand I never heard of. Let me know if you agree with that price point. All right, let's recap what we got. So we got a very expensive, in my opinion, eyeshadow palette. We got a expensive but worth it overnight moisturizer from Murad. A heat protectant mist from Drybar. Some brightly colored $30 brushes from Lavish. And a lip gloss from Mellow Cosmetics. What are your thoughts? I'm going to list on the screen the grand total of all of the items. I will say that this is a good mix of makeup, skincare, and an actual hair care product. I'm not super into the hair care product, but it's a good mix. So if you are on the fence about Boxycharm, this will give you an idea of what you could get. I honestly can't remember what I selected. I'm going to look up and try to remember because it was quite a while ago. Shocking, I know, but this was the item I selected. What? Wago Warrior selecting skincare? But yes, I'm excited to have this. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so, I would love for you to subscribe. For those who have, thank you. And don't forget to click the bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. And I would love for you to hit that guy right there. The little, it looks like that. It's free to you and really does help me out. Those darn YouTube algorithms. All right. Thanks, everyone.